How to get TradingView notifications. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get notifications and pop-ups. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom side, you can see this menu icon. Tap on this menu icon. So, you're in the settings interface. Now, you'll be able to see the option called push notifications. Tap on it. Here, it is already disabled. So, you must enable it in the settings. Tap on enable in settings. So you can directly enable it in the settings of your phone. Tap on show notifications. So if you go back, yeah, even customization of notifications that you can have. So select the ones that you want to have and you can uncheck the one that you don't want to have. Now if you simply go back, everything is all set. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.